everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Crystal Cleans. If you're new here, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Today we're starting the series of decluttering and organizing the house, and I'm starting in Wyatt's room. Wyatt's room was originally the guest room, and then when he was born he stayed in our room for like the first 9 months, and then we slowly transitioned him into his own room. And the closet is packed with some pretty random things. I kind of use it as my storage of things that I don't want to put out in the garage, so they end up in his closet, and that's really bad and I feel horrible, but this house just really doesn't have a lot of storage options, and so I made room for his clothes and things, but on the other side is just some rando stuff. So we're gonna go through that and just declutter everything in there and get rid of a lot of things that I didn't even remember were in there. So we're gonna do his closet, his drawers. He doesn't really have a lot of toys or anything in here. I did put this his little train set thing in here because I needed more room in the playroom. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.
Good.
Say hi.
Hi.
Is this your room?
This is my room.
Yeah. So we're gonna clean my room.
We can clean my room.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and say let's get to it.
Let's get to
Let's
this.
get to it. So I'm starting in Wyatt's room, and I'm just going to strip his bed. I needed to take this mattress cover thing off, and the little zipper thing was gone, so I just used a paper clip, and I've used this before on sweatshirts and even jeans. If that little thing ever breaks off, if you use that paper clip, it helps to unlock that little lock, and it works perfectly. So next I'm just going to take everything out of the closet, and I'm going to start on the left side because this is where all the random craziness stuff is, and this is it. This was all on just that one side of the closet. So I'm going to go through all of this, and the first thing I'm going to do is just take out all the stuff that is not his and put that in a pile, and then I'll go through all the stuff that is his and decide whether we're going to put it in the keep pile, the donate pile, and I also have a pile going for my niece who's having a little boy in a couple of months, so I'm saving some stuff for her. So this is stuff I'm saving for my niece, and this is the donate pile, and then this is now the right side of the closet. And this side isn't too bad. This is just all of his clothes, but there's a lot of stuff in here that doesn't fit him anymore. So again, I'm going to go through all of that and keep the things that he still needs to grow into and things that fit him, and then put aside stuff to donate. And if it's too small, then I'm going to put that in a pile for my niece.
You got me, you got me. When you got me, you got me, you got me. I know that there's something so special about you and me, babe. You got me, you got me, you got me, feeling fine. So just say the words, 'cause you know what it means to me, babe. When you got me, you got me, you got me, feeling right.
So once I got the mattress pad on his bed, then I went ahead and started to go through all the bins and things on his changing table. The changing table is another thing we're going to be getting rid of because he's potty trained now and we don't need it. And I didn't make his bed because I think I'm going to rearrange the room, so I wanted to wait until I moved the bed to where I was going to have it before I made it again.
You got me, you got me, you got me, feeling fine. So just say the words, 'cause you know what it means to me, babe. When you got me, you got me, you got me, feeling right. I know that there's something so special about you and me, babe. You got me, you got me, you got me, feeling fine. So just say the words, 'cause you know what it means to me, babe. When you got me, you got me, you got me, feeling right, feeling right, feeling right. When you got me, you got me, you got me, feeling feeling.
So now I'm just going to move on to his dresser and do the same thing I did in his closet and just pull out everything and go through it and keep the things that fit him and that he's wearing right now and put everything else in the donate pile. And now that everything's out of the closet, I'm just going to give it a quick vacuum inside and then put his little things in.
When you get me, you get me, you get me.
So in the middle of rearranging the furniture, it stopped recording, and I'm not sure why, but I didn't notice it until after I was already done moving everything. So once I got the bed where I wanted it, I went ahead and made it. And I know the guardrail's on the other side, but I'm not really concerned about it. I don't think he needs it anymore. And he's going to be getting a twin size bed soon anyway. So after all that was done, I just went ahead and wiped down everything, and including his little train tracks. And I'm using Mrs. Meyer's multi-service spray in the lavender scent.
Get me, you get me, you get me.
Next, I'm just going to wipe down his mirrors and vacuum really fast, and then I will show you what the closet looks like.
You got me, you got me, you got me feeling fine. So just say the words, 'cause you know what it means to me, babe.
So that blue basket doesn't have anything in it right now, and then the brown box is little keepsake things. That has his little hats in it and some books. He likes to read it. Well, we like to read them at night. This basket has his little blankets in it. This is the mattress pad I use when we have guests for the pull-out couch. That's his dirty clothes now. And then those are his little backpacks and little bags he has. And then on the other side, I have, now it's just all his clothes. There's nothing up there. So these are all his like jackets and warmer things. And then he has some little sweaters, and this is some stuff he still needs to grow into. Then of course his little car and bumblebee down there. And then all of this is stuff I'm saving for my niece, including the changing table. So I'll see if she wants that. And then once all that stuff's out of there, then I'll probably move the train tracks over there. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you and gave you some decluttering and cleaning motivation. And I will see you next time.